I'm a little too deep for playing games. All right, buddy. I'm crazy. That. Oi! I'm being liquidated. I'm being liquidated. Yeah. H2. Oh no! Yeah. Water everywhere. Water everywhere. No, not that. Be careful, it's quite an old box. Nothing happens, and I actually like it. Choose something else. Put it back. Yeah, just put it back. You're killing me! No, not that. No. Do you know of any puppet modeling agencies?
Precious rabbit,
Mama
please.
told me not to code. Ow! No! Tasty, the big teeth you have. Hey, it's time to hurt somebody. Myself together. Ow! Fetch me some coffee, please. Not good. Do something else. Oh my god! Oh god! Siri, call the ambulance! Why? Oh! Oh, no, not that back. Want to trade places? Hey, it's time to hurt somebody. Stop burning! I'm burning! No! Oh my god, it's burning! Siri, where's the nearest hospital? Please, God, no, please! Siri, call the ambulance! Not good. Just put it back. Well. Ooh, nice fingers you got there. Oh, my biscuits are burning! No, not that. Oh. Oh! Oy! I'm a pirate. Arr, just kidding. Boring. I want to see the basement in the Alamo. Mind if I catch a nap here?
What's the next guy?
Hey, what the little teeth punches one that stuff? Hey. Babushka! Oh, excuse me. Hey, it's lonely in here.
Don't get my box wet.
You got anything I can read for a few minutes? Hey, did you see my frog somewhere around here? Sweet! Excellent choice. No. No. You might want to put that back. Put that back. Yeah, just put it back. Care to dance?
Excuse me.
Ay! Stop! Ay! I'm out! Buddy, angry! Ow! Pay attention to me. Weirdly awkward. I'm gonna check out some of the other apps, alright? Can you turn me toward the TV? I live in a box. No. Ooh, pardon me. Steamboat Willie. Boop, boop. Hey! Time out! Truce! I'm a pacifist! I don't match for you, a psychologist! No, not that. Oh! Choose something else. What do you think? I'm showing Choose something else. You might want to put that back. You know of any puppet modeling agencies?
Let's read some coffee, please.
Everybody stop!
Excuse me.
No, not that. I wish it would last forever.